Kilkee. Kilkee is a small coastal town in County Clare. Kilkee is midway between Kilrush and the Doonbeg on the N67 road. This town is popular as a seaside resort. Kilkee is situated on Moor Bay and it is famous for its stunning horseshoe-shaped beach. On one side, you will find the pollock holes, the natural swimming pools surrounded by reef, and on the opposite side is the George's Head, a spectacular vantage point which looks out across the Bishop's Island and the Loophead Peninsula. Today, we are going on a cliff walk. The cliff walk will delight you with the views extending as far as the Aran Islands and the Connemara on a clear day. Kilkee has been a popular tourist destination since the Victorian era. The well-to-do were drawn to the town's unique climate, natural amenities, and coveted bathing areas. Kilkee attracts water sport enthusiasts who enjoy the crystal clear water and the marine life. The sea beach offers the ideal spot for the perfect holiday. It is also regarded as one of the best and safest bathing places on the western coast. The well-known and the much-loved Kilkee Cliff Walk can be accessed from the car park overlooking the world-famous Pollock Holes at the west end of the town. These holes are three large natural rock pools that offer safe and sheltered swimming during the low tide. The cliff walk is truly breathtaking and it has a lot of natural beauties along the way. It will take around 1 to 2 hours to reach the top of the cliff. This is the Bishop's Island. The 6th century monastic settlement of Bishop's Island gives the island its name. This unique sea stack was separated from the mainland over the last 1,000 years. We have almost reached the top of the cliff. Just a 10 minutes walk and we are at the top. The combination of the blue sky and the blue ocean is really breathtaking. Bishop's Island is 65 meters high and it is an important nesting ground for seabirds. have reached the top portion of the cliff. The views from here is really spectacular. So now we have returned back towards the Kilkee beach, and this is the Bayview Hotel where we are staying for tonight. The hotel gives you a genuinely warm and friendly Irish welcome on arrival. Let me give you a glance of what's inside. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Here are the pics that we clicked during the walk.